Hello Hoopers, this is Kamaki from Philippines. Today, we will gonna do the 3 drills to master your crossover. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And also press the notification bell to update you in my new videos. Let's go, Kamaki!